All right. Hi, I'm Michael Briggs, and I'm going to be building a shelter right behind me. All right, so I'm just going to start by rounding up some logs. Okay. Now I'll collect more sticks. And we'll just do that. There we go. All right, let's turn it into something. Cover it. I'm thinking bark. What do you think? Bark and then pine needles or something. So we'll go collect some bark. So, now I'm just going to try and collect bark off of this tree. It's ponderosa pine. It's got extremely thick bark, which I think will work pretty good for water resistance. So it's dead, obviously, and I think you just kind of pry it out. That. Yeah. And it's got a hole right there. We can patch with some moss or something, but I'm just going to stack this off to the side. And it shouldn't be too bad. You know, that piece maybe got a little lucky with the size of it. Here's another one. Ugh. So same deal. You know, bugs have been eating at it. Got sawdust in there. It's wet. So, scrape that off. And the same deal. It's just got one, I don't know, bird or something. When it was alive, probably dug in there, but will help us out. So those were the easy two. Now this is going to be a little bit trickier to get a piece of that same size. See how far that gets us. So, as you can see, the side's pretty dang good. We just need to get some stuff in there. This won't go quite as smoothly as putting it on the slant, for obvious reasons. But I think I'll just kind of sit here, and you can see where I shoved the stuff earlier. That worked. So we'll just start jamming it in there, I guess. That's pretty much done. Let's get you in the dark. I mean, I'll crawl in there. It's kind of creepy. That would definitely get me through the night. You know, the ground was cold, so I'd lay down some pine needles to insulate me from the ground, or pine boughs or whatever. There's quite a bit of stuff around here. And other than that, I could feel the heat radiating off of. It was easier to tell when I was on my stomach on the ground. I could feel the heat kind of coming back onto my back. So definitely heat reflector. Having those bark chunks and then having the decomposing stuff right on top to kind of hold in the heat. Yeah, I could just barely spin around. I don't know if you could see that. It looks a lot bigger on the outside than it is. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that.